If you've ever stared at a blank page, wondering how to write a blog post that actually ranks and keeps people reading, you're not alone. This is one of the top questions people ask ChatGPT. So in this video, we'll walk through a simple, step-by-step process you can follow every time you write. Step 1. Know exactly who you're writing for. Ask yourself, who is my reader, and what problem are they trying to solve today? The clearer you are on that person, the easier every other step becomes. Step 2. Pick a focused topic. Instead of how to do marketing, choose something narrow, like how to write a blog post that ranks on Google. Clear, specific topics attract the right readers. Step 3. Do quick keyword research. Type your idea into Google and look at the autocomplete suggestions and People Also Ask box. These are real questions real people search for. Keep a short list of the best ones. Step 4. Build a simple outline. Think in sections: introduction, main points, and conclusion. Turn your keyword list into headings and subheadings. This keeps your post organized and easier to skim. Here's where ChatGPT can help. Give a prompt like, "Help me outline a 1,500-word blog post for beginners on how to write a blog post that ranks on Google. Include an intro, 5 to 7 sections, and a conclusion." Use that outline as a starting point, then adjust it so it matches your own voice and ideas. Next, write a strong introduction. Grab attention with a problem your reader feels. Then promise a clear result if they keep reading. For example, by the end of this post, you'll have a simple checklist you can use for every blog you write. Then, fill in each section of your outline. Use short paragraphs, clear subheadings, and simple language. Add examples, quick tips, and small summaries so readers don't get lost. When you're done, edit. Read your post out loud. Cut any long, confusing sentences. Make sure every paragraph helps your reader solve their problem. Finally, add a clear call to action. Tell readers what to do next. Comment, join your list, or read another post. And if you want explainer videos like this to go with your blog posts, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can turn your ideas into clean, animated explainer videos quickly and effortlessly.